Louie.
Yes, ma'am. Oh yeah, I got you. I got you. Lexi Lex.
Oh hey, Bo, how you doing?
Do you go straight up like that, or do you go out?
Right, he's like, oh, what's up, Bo? How you doing?
That's Bo. Who's that?
He's right next to you.
Hey, Bo. Awesome. What down there?
Let me get by y'all, Alex. Thank you. Yeah, man, if I didn't have to go to my cousin's birthday party, I definitely would have went with you to the gym.
What y'all talking about?
I went to Libertyville, like an hour away.
Like that. So you going with the shorter. Remember, you're gonna blend all this out. We're just taking bulk out now. I'm sure. So now we're gonna go.
Bo.
Don't forget this part. No, I mean you gotta.
Yes.
You gotta blend that out. What are we talking about?
Everything has to be perfect.
End result.
You're not gonna push it all the way up into your guide.
If you make your guidelines wiggly, your fade gonna be wiggly.
Not necessarily. Stay on that moment. What's wrong with you, say?
It was a combination of Shanae cutting her hair.
And then here, you went with the two, right?
Oh shit, wait.
Hey, watch your freaking language, man.
Like a brand new man.
Yes, ma'am.
Just so you know, your payments are due today. Your guys' cards will not be up tomorrow, so you can't come to school. If you don't talk to me.
You'll be banned. Shanae. Shanae. Hard work.
Stop, look at the cut. You still have the.
I got the same one.
It's decent though.
It's decent, right? Yeah. Joby or whatever it's called. Something like that.
My boy, Aiden going crazy.
Carlos is cutting up Alex. I mean Alexis.
Oh, what?
I fucking new wave Dubai face.
Really? See that? Look at that smile on your face.
She learned a new technique.
There you go.
And she's proud.
You know what it is, though? You can do it 100 times, you know, but there's nothing like doing it yourself. Hands on, man.
Hands on.
At the end of the day.
That's the best. I told Corey that. I was like, Corey, because he was like, man, I'm kind of salty. I missed out right here. But I'm like, yeah, but you had the best practice you could get. Hands on. You were cutting your hair. You can't get better than that.
He said, look. Mark my words. I want you to get in close. LeBron James is not winning a championship in 2021. Maybe next year, but this year with his
maybe next year.
with this current roster, he's not winning anything. He's done. He's finito. It's done. It's over with. AD's ass this season.
So he's pretty much saying there's zero chance of them winning the finals.
Zero. Brooklyn Nets, all 2021.
There's definitely a chance of them winning.
You don't want the
I say there's a 35% chance of the Lakers taking the whole finals. Easy. You know what
If you
I'm
had a 35% chance to live, that's not pretty easy. That's pretty like, oh my god, I'm probably gonna die.
35 easy.
Yeah, what's up with y'all, man? Welcome back to another FadeitLuie vlog, or barber school video, or haircut tutorial, whatever my boy's doing. He's going crazy. We're taking over 2021. We're gonna be on top soon. Remember this face. Remember us. Cause we about to take off. Let's get it.
Okay.
So you're gonna take a section, whatever section that you want. You're gonna spray it.
So you always need to do this before you flatter?
Yes, you have to use a heat protection. Heat protection. Okay.
Next purchase.
So when you come in, you want to go away from the face. So it's more of a wave. So you're gonna go here. You're gonna guide it, and then you're just gonna bring it down.
sure you made that fucking look really smooth. Do that for me one more time.
We're gonna take another
She did that
section.
quick, right? I was like, whoa. She said away from the face, so that's this way.
So this way.
Yeah.
So, and I'm gonna show you the other side too.
Okay.
So you're gonna take a section, whatever section you want. This is a heat protecting spray. And you're gonna up, yeah. Guide into the bag.
All I remember is medulla.
Until all the way to the bottom. And then you do that around the head, and then like if the person wants like a more wavy, like beach waves, then you just start combing it out.
Are there conditioners that have like if I were to wash their hair?
There's a product for everything. So when you want to use shampoos, anything that doesn't have sulfates, that's not good for the hair. So you always want to moisturize your hair, even if the person has oily hair. You still want to use some type of conditioner because they still need irrigation. But when you're going to style it, you still have to put it back. So a leave-in conditioner, a styling cream, anything like that when it's wet, and then when it's dry, then when you use like the heat protection spray. So, trust me, I know it's a lot with the product.
So you can't really like skip. You can't really like skip.
So when you do the next section, take it from a little bit higher.
Oh, okay.
And you do the curl a little bit higher and then bring it. And then
That's just a different style though, right? Like if they want it flatter here and they curl it.
Yeah,
Man, this is shit, man. This is some shit.
Do it.
Yeah, but I don't want to waste her spraying shit. So.
No, go ahead.
She's like, go ahead, go ahead. Now that we're done with the fade, we moved on to our T outliners and we're sliding up his C cup, starting off at the bottom and working our way to the top arch.